Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for R&D project management in 2025. Firstly, you'll want to create a new project. This is as simple as clicking on the Create Project button on your dashboard and filling in the necessary information, such as the project name and description. This step is critical as it sets the foundation for your project and gives your team a clear understanding of what the project is about. Next up, you'll need to add team members to your project. You can do this by clicking on the Team tab and entering the email addresses of your team members. This helps us because it ensures everyone involved in the project has access to all relevant information and can collaborate effectively. Now that we've done that, it's time to create tasks. Go to the Tasks tab and click on Add Task. Fill in the task details, like the task name, description, and due date. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable chunks that can be assigned to individual team members. Once the tasks are created, you'll want to track the progress of your project. You can do this by going to the Progress tab. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is automatically tracking the completion of tasks and providing you with real-time updates on how your project is progressing. This is vital because it helps you stay on top of your project and ensure everything is going according to plan. Lastly, don't forget to use the discussion feature to communicate with your team. Just click on the Discussion tab and start a new thread. This is essential because it fosters a collaborative environment and enables team members to share ideas and solve problems together. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on using UPBASE for R&D project management. Remember, a well-managed project leads to successful results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.